See how well it does on this stability, huh? The tripod.
Is it working now?
I don't know. This is our first night on our trial run, and Jay's cooking chicken dinner on our brand new grill that we're taking with us. Tell me that doesn't start looking yummy already. Yummy, yummy. Say hi, Laura.
Hi.
And then Mr. Kevin.
I'm drinking wine.
He's drinking wine. Yep.
How do we do it, airdrop?
That's the important part.
Oh, you gotta go to
And we're trying to figure out how to work all our cameras. Get this to work. Not sure what I'm doing here, so.
We're stupid old people.
We're stupid old people. This is our first outing with the RV before we go on our 6-week trip. We're trying to kind of iron out all the kinks, but not sure.
We have kinks.
We'll see. We all have kinks. So I'm not really seeing what I'm supposed to do here. Oops, that didn't work.